How to make strike-through text in WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to cross out words in your messages using a simple formatting trick. First, open WhatsApp and go to any chat. After that, tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard. From there, to add a strike-through, you need to wrap your text with the tilde symbol. That's the wavy dash symbol that looks like this. Right here. If you can't find it on your regular keyboard, tap on the symbols or special characters icon on your keyboard, usually marked as a question mark or an exclamation mark with symbols around it. Next up, once you find the tilde symbol, type it before your word, type your message, and then add another tilde right at the end. For example, like this. Moving on, tap send, and your text will appear with a line crossed through it in the chat. Finally, keep in mind this works in both personal chats and group chats, so you can use it anywhere in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.